Hey guys, I'm Arthur and you're watching Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. Today in this video I'm just going to do a quick update on the screen or filter screen that I installed on my heater coil water inlet line. I'll put a link that should pop up somewhere around one of these corners. Feel free to check that out. That was a heater coil flush and the installation of the screen. So let's take the screen out. We put a couple hundred miles on it. Let's see what kind of debris, if we're capturing any debris, and let's go from there. Okay, so we got the filter screen that I installed. We got it off. I'm gonna try to let you see. You could see it in there a little bit. See that screen? Find the right position. You can see some brown debris, sludgish looking stuff. Now if you turn it around this way, you can see how clean that screen is on this side. Of course, this side here is the inlet. So you can see the screen's doing its job. It is capturing some stuff. I know it's hard to see. So we're going to wash it out and capture some of that stuff in a clean container. So you can see the screen there, and you can see it's just caked over or got some debris or sludge on it inside on the inlet side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to back flush this screen. I'm not going to take this apart because it's not leaking, so I don't want to disturb it. So we're just going to take some brake cleaner and we're going to flush, back flush through the filter screen and see what we get out of it. So all that would have ended up inside the heater coil, causing it to clog up. So looks like there's still some more debris inside there, so we're going to keep flushing it till we get it clean. But look at all that junk. Okay, so here's a final look at the junk that I flushed out of that filter screen that I installed. All that would have ended up in the heater coil, so the filter screen's doing its job. Here's a little video of the stuff after it dries out. Kind of interesting. Crumbles up into a powder. It's kind of gritty a little bit, but unsure what it is. A lot of people say it's something from the casting process, chemical reaction from the coolant, but whatever it is, hopefully I can get it all out of the cooling system. Hey guys, so you saw me flush the screen element that I put on the heater coil side, and you saw all that trash. That was only that trash collected in there in probably about 300 miles. That's about all I've put on it since I installed it, and all that would have ended up inside the heater coil and caused it to restrict or clog. So I'm going to flush the entire system of the engine and radiator just to make sure, try to get any of that debris out of the main cooling system, refill it. I'm going to put my filter screen back in line, and I'm just going to keep monitoring it. If I can get a lot of debris out of the cooling system by flushing the entire system, maybe I won't have to pull this filter screen out but a couple of times over the winter here and flush it and get all the debris out of it. But anyways, I'll put a link up here for the heater coil flush, and you can check that out. But again, thanks for watching, and subscribe. I'd like to hear your comments down below on some of your heater coil issues, what you did to resolve them. And of course, I apologize for the wind noise. It's wintertime and we're outside, but I'd like to hear those comments, and thanks again, guys.